Yes. चलो क्या करना है? AU. You have to find out one astronomical unit is equal to what? This is A part. B part. बोलो. 1 light year is equal to what? C part. 1 parsec is equal to what? Question number 1. All the three represent what? Units of? Yes, distance, length. So, first we take up 1 AU. 1 AU is what? Average distance between Sun and Earth. This value of R is 15 crore kilometers. 15 crore is 10 to the power 7, kilo is 10 to the power 3. So what you get is 15 into 10 raised to the power 10 is equal to, correction is required in the notes, 1.5 into 10 raised to the power 11. This is what we mean by the term 1 AU. Question. It is the average distance. Why do you write as average distance between Sun and Earth? Why not simply distance between Sun and Earth? Changes because Earth moves around the Sun in elliptical orbit. It is not circular. It is elliptical. To be covered in chapter number 6, gravitation. That is why we use average distance between the two. 1, 2. Which of the two is better? This answer or this answer? Why? Which of the two is better? This one or this one? Yes, why? Why? This is also multiple. International convention for writing orders of what order is? 1 digit, then decimal, and then 10 raised to the power something. Because when we say 1 into 10 to the power 11 or 2 into 10 to the power 11, the order is the same. 60 rupees or 70 rupees, order is same. So we say whether it is 1.5 or 1.6 into 10 raised to the power 11. We see this part. Help कितना करेगा? In objective questions, choices are given. 10 raised to the power 11, 10 raised to the power 13, 10 raised to the power 15, 10 raised to the power 18. So then you are concerned with what? This part, not this one. I think what I am saying. That is why it is international convention for writing the orders. 200 means what? 2 into 10 to the power 2. Let us now understand what does it mean. 200 means 2 into 10 raised to the power 2. Example. This is what? 100 rupee note. Agreed or not? How many? 2. Getting what I am saying? 2000 rupees. 2 into 10 to the power 3. 2. Each of rupees 1000. You have this order analysis. If a kid asks the father for a chocolate, so जेब चो 10,000 रुपये नहीं कट के देंदा. Agreed or not? 100 rupees देंदे कि नहीं? The kid has not come out with a demand or a declaration that I am in need of, say, this much amount of money. Still, how? Because the father knows that the chocolate is of this order. Getting what I am saying? The chocolate is maybe 60 rupees, 70 rupees, whatever it is, but generally within 100 rupees. Am I right? So this is termed as order analysis. So convention is digit, decimal, then some digit if it is there at all, and then 10 raised to the power. That is why this is better than this. 3 minutes to write. Yes, 1 light year. Unit of distance? Agreed or not? Competition question. Light year is a unit of, answer is distance. Most preferred wrong answer is time. Because it's a light year, year appears to be time. But what is 1 light year? Light travels at what speed? Yes. In vacuum. In vacuum. Distance traveled by light in how much time? 1 year. Time? 1 year. So this distance covered by light, d, is equal to formula speed into time. Speed is how much? 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second into, if I write 1 year, then it is in seconds. Then we are writing year below. First you will write 365 days. Again you are writing here days and it is in seconds. Change it to hours, 24 hours. Still you are writing it in hours and this is in seconds. Minutes. Now you are writing it in minutes and it is in seconds. Into 60 seconds. Now it is workable. Second cancel, calculate, and this distance is known as 1 light year. 3 minutes with you. Calculate karna. When light travels from one star to say Earth or to another planet, we write the distances in terms of light years so that 100 light years, if a star is 100 light years from Earth, means what? Light will take approximately 100 years to travel from star to Earth. It will help us immediately find out that how much time it will take. Agreed? If the distance is 100 light years, means light takes how much time? 100 years. Right? It helps me calculate time within a second. Last part, yes, you can have calculation at your own. 9.46 into 10 raised to power. Yes, notes देखो 15. चेक करो. नोट्स की लिखे 9.46 into 10 power 15. 9.46 into 10 raised to power 15 meters. Last part. Per sec. Per sec. First of all, the concept. Theta is given. How much? 1 second. 1 second क्या है angle? Radian you have heard of, degree you have heard of. So we'll discuss what is 1 second. Length of the arc, L is 1 astronomical unit known to you. This value is 1.5 into 10 raised to the power 11. This distance r you have to find out. This distance r is termed as 1 parsec. How to find r when theta and L is given? Concept bolo. Concept is angle theta is equal to L by r. Confirm? Full circle 2 pi r. 2 pi r divided r and r cancelled. कितना आ गया 2 pi. Full circle subtends angle 2 pi radian at the center. In this case, you need to find out r. R is equal to L by theta. L in meters is known to me. Issue is theta. All of you know 1 degree. 1 degree is equal to D देखे ना सारे ने? All of you have seen D. How many degrees are there? 180 degree. 1 degree is a very, very small angle. All of you know it. 1 degree is further divided into 60 parts. That is what we call as 1 minute. So 1 degree is 60 minutes. 1 minute can further be divided into 60 parts. So it is 60 into 60 seconds. So 1 degree is equal to 3600 seconds. So I can write second, 1 second in terms of degree. Agreed? But degree is not SI unit. SI unit is SI unit of angle. SI unit of angle. Radian. So you will have to change degrees to radians. So what is the relationship? This is one concept required. 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. Pi radian 180 degree. 1 radian is equal to 180 degree, or 1 degree is equal to what? Pi by 180 radian. Now L, bolo कितनी value? 1.5 into 10 raised to power 11 meters. Theta is equal to 1 second. Not acceptable. 1 second is not acceptable. 1 second is equal to how many degrees? 1.5 into 10 raised to power 11. Yes, 3600 seconds is 1 degree. 1 second is equal to what? 1 by 3600 of a degree. But again, this is not acceptable. Then 1.5 into 10 raised to power 11, 1 by 3600 into 1 degree. 1 degree is equal to how many radians? Pi by 180. Solve करोगे, comes out to be what? मैं result लिख रहे हैं सिर्फ 3.09. Yes. 10 raised to power 3.09 into 10 raised to power 16 meter. Repeat. The new concept is 1 hour. In 1 hour, how many minutes are there? 60. Further, in 1 minute, how many seconds are there? 60. So there is a system which deals with 60, big part divided into 60 parts, small part, further divide that small part in 60. So that same is applicable, what you have applied for hour, minute and second is applicable for degree. Degree is equivalent to hour, is equal to how many minutes? 60. This 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. So 1 degree is 3600 seconds, like 1 hour is 3600 seconds. Similar. So you can write 1 second in terms of degree, but degree is acceptable? No. SI unit is what? Radian. So 2 pi radian is equal to what? 360 degree. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree, or 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 degree. Time with you is 4 minutes.